Quickly reading the question, the probability that it will rain on any particular day in July is 82%. What is the probability that it will not rain in the month of July? So 82% is the probability that it will rain, and we have to find the probability that it will not rain. So probability of rain is 82%, and that is the same as 0.82 in the decimal form. Probability of the opposite event, not rain, is 1 minus probability of rain. So that is 1 minus 0.82, which is 0.18. So probability that it will not rain is equal to 0.18.